we are basically establishing the new field, and that field is Islamic psychology, and that's different from the Western psychology or the current psychology which is being used in the world. So, what are the differences in the psychology, in the Islamic psychology, and why we need this field? We'll be getting its answer from the epistemological approach, ontology, and teleology. So, there are the epistemological differences between Islamic psychology and psychology. There were some epistemological limitations of psychology. That's why we need this field of Islamic psychology. And there were some ontological differences of psychology with these concepts of Islam. And to ensure the ontological goals of Islam, we had to integrate it with the psychology, and the ontological deficiencies which were in the psychology, they are being covered in the Islamic psychology. And there are the teleological differences in psychology, in Islamic psychology. I usually give the analogy of five blinds and elephant story. So there is a story that five blinds went to see an elephant. So one touched his trunk, the other his tooth, and the third his tail, the fourth his legs, and the fifth his abdomen. And when the question was asked to these five blinds that how you have seen an elephant, they all had a different opinion about the elephant. The one who touched his tail, he said that elephant is like a rope. The one who touched his abdomen, he said that elephant is like a pitcher. The one who touched his legs, he said that elephant is like a pillar. The one who touched his nose, he said that elephant is something like a slide or the calf thing. So these blinds had touched just one part of elephant, and they thought that it is a truth. The same is true for science. Whatever the approach we are using, we are getting the limited understanding about the human, and we are saying that is what a human, that is what a human psyche. Oh my God, you're not a creator of a human. You don't know about a human psyche. If you want to understand a human psyche, you have to go back to creator. A negative side can be understood by the three main concepts. It's nafs ammara, ghafala, and shaitan. These are three major components of this negative side. There are three types of nafs: nafs ammara, lawama, and mutmainna. So these are the three types of nafs. And these specific terms, they are not coined by any scholar. These terms were taken from the Holy Quran, although these terms came in the different contexts, but now they're used to explain the different aspects of the personality.